So, if you watched the last video, you'd know we were in Waioura with this thing, 4-wheel driving for the whole weekend. Started shitting out Sunday afternoon, having some, what I think, or what a lot of us, a few of the old guys that we were 4-wheel driving with as well, bad spark, so weak spark. It's got a new coil in it, new condenser, and new points, but I didn't set the points properly, so I think that's caused the condenser to bugger out early, leading us with weak spark. So I've brought a new condenser right here, cost me 18 bucks. And if that's the issue, then fuck, that pisses me off, because we just towed this thing over 4 hours and lost half a day forward driving, all for $18. So if you want to kick it in the nuts, Tracy, put your foot flat. So it's still got what I believe is the bad condenser in it. Floor it. Is your foot floor? Oh, go, keep cranking, keep cranking. Your foot flat, yep. Better start, you bastard. Yep, crank it. Floor it. Alright, so we've seen how that's running. It's running like a bag of dog shit. Won't run at all, really. It does sound to me like my first thoughts were blocked carburetor, but there's heaps of fuel getting through that thing, and when you're cranking it over, you can actually see fuel getting sprayed out the top of it. And when you take the ignition lead off, or the lead coming straight off the coil, run it to earth, the spark that comes off it is really weak. So we've got this condenser here. We'll whack that on it quickly, crank it up, and hopefully we see a complete turnaround. Alright, I've just installed the new condenser. You can see it nice and shiny there. I've just cut the wires and done a bit of the old twist tie method. So I'll just put this light down. Alright, go. Give her a crank. That's mint, eh? That's the issue, eh? Right there. Oh, she's still a bit but. Give it a rev. Rev it up. Rev it up! That's it, eh? What do you know? Definitely the condenser, I would imagine, because that's running mint now. Wow, good, anyway. Where's the fuck out of here? Alright, I'm dying in here now because there's some smoke being emitted. Did I put it in reverse and go backwards? Oh, I know what I do. Here we go. Mint. She seems to be running like a gem. That condenser was definitely the issue, because we've just driven about half an hour to a river, so Oh, can't see fucking anything. Gives you like a bit of a vertigo, sort of a holy shit feeling for a bit, hey? Do you get that, or is it just me?
When you can't see.
You can't see.
I did that when I go up a hill.
Oh, bit of an angle.
Sliding.
Oof. Oh, not having power steering sucks. The steering, it bump steers real bad, so as soon as you hit something, the steering wheels just pull towards whatever it hits. So you go down and you hit into a rut, and all of a sudden the steering wheel just gets ripped out of your hand. It's not great. I don't know where to go up there though. It's getting deeper.
Are they rocks or? They're those big rocks, eh?